I'm so glad we came here today.
Yeah. Yes, the water is so clear and the birds are lovely. Look at all the fruit right outside our door.
We won't go hungry here.
The stream sounds lovely too. Do you want to pick some papayas for dinner?
Yes, that sounds wonderful. We also need some cassava leaves.
Okay, let's go get them.
Almost. The fire is just starting. The water is boiling now.
Great, add the papaya and cassava leaves. That looks perfect. The flavors are amazing together.
I agree.
I could eat this all day.
This is so delicious.
I know, the flavors are amazing. I am so full from that delicious meal.
Me too. Let's go drink some of this fresh stream water.
This water is so refreshing.
It truly is, my love. Nothing beats nature's best.
Nothing like fresh stream water.
Delicious. I could drink this all day. Beautiful out here. The water is perfect.
Nature provides everything we need. Wow, that chili sauce is super spicy, but the fish is amazing.
It really is. We should catch another one tomorrow.
Eat it deliciously.